Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. I want to welcome you all to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you guys will get nothing more, nothing less than videos that show you how to make money online, okay? Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload a video, okay? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about one-day rewards because I did a cash out and I wanted to show you guys exactly what I do on that site to get to the cash out. And I'm going to show you payment proof. And if you stay to the end of this video, I have a gift for you. But you have to watch this video all the way to the end to get the gift, okay? So if you're interested in that gift, stay tuned to the end of the video and I will tell you what that gift is. Okay, so let's get into the video. Here we are on my one-day reward site. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so here we are on my dashboard here. Okay, and excuse me. Here we have members home. That means okay. Your referrals. So let's look at that. Let's look at that really quick. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 referrals, and these all came from YouTube, you guys. This shows you where your users are coming from, when they were last active, when they joined, how much they're earning, if they've been doing anything, how many things they've done, how many offers they've completed. So for those of you that have signed up under me, and you know, I can show you right now what you can do to earn money on this site. Okay, I cashed out a dollar, but you guys can work this site up to however much you want. So let's go ahead and get to that right now. Okay. And they added new payment methods. Let me show you what those are right now for those of you that like. Is the Google Play, you have to get $8.50. PlayStation Store, $8.50. For a $10 Visa prepaid debit card, you need to get nine points, $9. $22 if you want to get a $25 Visa prepaid debit card. Amazon, you will need, if you want to get a $5 Amazon gift card, you will need to have $4.50. iTunes, to receive a $5 iTunes gift card, you need to have $4.50 to withdraw. If you want to withdraw to Bitcoin, you need to have 5 cents. If you want to withdraw to BCH Wallet, you need to have 10 cents. If you want to withdraw to Dogecoin, you need to have 1 cent. Okay. Wow, they took off PayPal. PayPal was on here. I'm so freaking confused. Okay. They took PayPal off because I cashed out to PayPal yesterday. But PayPal's going to be back. They always end up bringing it back. So for now, PayPal's not on here, you guys. So, I'm just letting you know what they have right now. Western Union, $20. So what I do on here, I'm going to show you what I do. Take you over here to the offer walls. So they have AdWall, AdGate Rewards, Wanna Ads, OfferToro, Hideout TV, Kiwi Wall, Revenue Hunt, OfferDaddy, AdClickWall, iStudios, OfferWall, C Surveys, Tap Research, and MyAdWall. Now, what I do on here is strictly, I don't do nothing else but these two things. I come over here and I go to the AdClickWall. You guys can do this, or you can do the surveys. You do whatever you want on here, but this is my routine when I come on this site because I'm going to be cashing out $1 every day on this site. I'm just showing you what I do so you guys can, get in the habit of coming up with a routine that you can follow every day to make money online. So you click on, I'm going to show you how to do the ads. I've done this before. I just want to do it again. So refresh your memory on how to do the ads. Okay, so you wait for this page to load. Wait for it to load up here when this stops spinning. Wait for that to load. I took computer classes in college, you guys. I know what I'm talking about. So wait for the page to load before you do anything, okay? So it's loaded. Now you find this picture. You're going to have to select this exact image over here. So it's right here. You click on it. You let this little rectangular, you let this load. Once it says okay, when you see the words okay pop up, you exit out, refresh the page. It's only 1 point, so it's not going to show up here right away, but I just earned 1 cent. So altogether, that's two, I would have earned 1, 2, let's see, 2, 3 cents I've earned altogether, because I just did one, so that's 1 cent, 2, I would earn 3 cents from this alone, okay? Now, when you do the tap research, you're going to earn different types of points. You're going to earn 5 points, 6 points, maybe even 8 points. You might actually earn the actual points of the survey. But most likely you're just going to earn 2 points per survey. It's disqualification points. You're going to earn 2 points. See, I got credited for the ad. 1 cent. Okay? And this doesn't take long, you guys. I made $1 on here within maybe, I give it an hour, an hour, because you guys don't want to sit here and say it takes 30 minutes. Just give it an hour. Go on here and just work it until you see $1 over here. That's 100 points. 100 tokens is equal to $1. You go over here, you convert your points, and it'll turn into $1, and then you cash it out, okay? Now, like I said, I don't know when PayPal is coming back, but hopefully soon. So I'm not going to show you guys how to do the surveys, but you guys should already know from all the survey sites I've told you that I'm a part of how to do surveys. And these offer disqualification points. So it'll tell you if it says partial reward, that means disqualification points. 2 points, 2 tokens is what you'll get. If you complete the survey, you'll actually get the actual points amount that it's showing. If you do not complete it, you'll get the disqualification amount of two tokens, and those tokens can be converted into cash, and it'll be come over here. It'll be in your cash balance, and you guys will earn. It's $1 to cash out, so remember that. And when you cash out, it'll pop up over here. Okay, and this shows you what everyone's earning on as well. This is what's happening right now. This shows you someone just got rewarded on one ads offer wall. It's showing you what they're getting rewarded on. Okay, so I'm gonna take you over here to my PayPal account. Take you over here to my PayPal account really quick. Hold on, you guys. Alrighty then. So here we are back on my PayPal. I just signed in. Okay. So, excuse me. 1 Day Rewards GPT sent you money. I got $1.41. That's exactly how much I cashed out. And it gave me a balance of $2.40 because I had 99 cents in here. So it added up to $2.40, and I can transfer $1.41 to my bank if I want to, okay? But I'm going to let this load up so I can transfer a lot more. So that's a way to earn, you guys. I know $1 seems like, oh my God, $2, blah, 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 but it's not, okay? And there's a payment proof that I got paid from 1 Day Rewards, okay? So I'm going to log out. Okay, so there you go, 1 Day Rewards. You get paid, if you cash out $1, just do the paid to click wall. Sorry. Do the paid to click wall and tap research, and you'll be good to go, okay? So for those of you that have stayed so far to the video, I have a gift for you. If you've watched this video thus far, the gift is, I'm going to leave it in the link below. It is a free, mind you, it's a free Instagram training masterclass that teaches you guys how to market on Instagram 100% free. You guys don't have to pay for nothing. So for those of you that are interested in learning on how to market on Instagram, I will have that link to that training course below. It's free. That's my gift to you guys for staying to the end of this video. And if you guys like my videos, leave me a thumbs up, like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And I hope you guys enjoy the free Instagram training masterclass that I'm going to be giving you. The link will be to that masterclass will be in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I will leave the link to 1 Day Rewards if you would like to sign up in the description below as well. Take care, you guys.